Military trucks have been a trusted and essential asset to the armed forces of the world for decades. Their ability to transport cargo, supplies, equipment, and troops across battlefields while providing reliable performance has made them invaluable. No matter the mission, military trucks have been upgraded, improved, and modified to keep up with tanks and other vehicles. Spanning from light utility vehicles to heavy-duty payloads, these trucks have been built to serve the needs of today's military. Here are 10 of the most successful military trucks in the world. Number 10. Super Stallion 8x8 High Mobility Vehicle. Ashok Leyland's Super Stallion 8x8 is a powerful logistics vehicle developed from the company's Stallion platform, which is widely used by the Indian Army for cargo transport. The 8x8 High Mobility Vehicle was introduced in March 2012, designed to provide exceptional mobility and power in demanding desert environments. The Super Stallion 8x8 is suitable for a range of applications, such as command post, troop transport, load carrier, bridge laying equipment, heavy recovery vehicle, and NBC decontamination. It also comes with mounts to hold weapons, though there are no standard weapon systems installed. The vehicle is powered by a Neptune 360 engine and 8S151 gearbox. The engine develops a power of 360 horsepower at 200 RPM and can generate a torque of 1,400 Nm at 300 RPM to 500 RPM. The vehicle is also fitted with different transmission and driveline configurations. Number 9. UDS-214. Rheinmetall Man Military Vehicles and CSM Industry of Tisovec, Slovakia have joined forces to unveil a new high-mobility multipurpose excavator vehicle. The HX 8x8 excavator is based on RMMV's tried-and-tested logistic vehicle family and carries an UDS-214 excavator build-on system made by CSM. This versatile vehicle is designed for combat engineer operations and disaster relief missions and is equipped with an extendable telescopic arm that can reach up to 14.60 meters. It has the capacity to lift up to 7.5 tons and comes with various tools, including an excavator shovel, a hook, and a hydraulic drum cutter. The excavator operator cab can be protected to Stanag levels and fitted with a ventilation system. If required, the MAN D2676 diesel engine produces 387 kilowatts, allowing the HX 8x8 to reach a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour. It can tackle slopes of 60% gradient and is capable of crossing bodies of water as deep as 1.5 m. Number 8. The MAN HX77. The MAN HX77 is an 8x8 heavy tactical truck that is part of the HX range of military vehicles, which also includes 4x4 and 6x6 variants. Developed to meet the needs of the military, it replaced the LX and FX ranges in production. Intended for off-road operations, the HX77 has been in service with Denmark, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom, with the latter operating over 900 vehicles since their entry into service in 2007. Having a projected service life of 20 years, New Zealand operates around 20 of these trucks. The HX77 is equipped with automotive components from MAN's commercial TGA range and is powered by a 10.5-liter turbocharged diesel engine, developing 440 horsepower and meeting Euro 4 emission requirements. The engine is located behind and under the cab with the cooling system located behind it, which helps to reduce the overall height of the vehicle. The production of the MAN SX series reportedly came to an end in 2019, with the new HX2 series trucks taking its place. Number 7. FMTV 1083. During the late 1980s, the U.S. Army sought a new family of medium tactical vehicles for improved reliability, lower costs, and enhanced long-term efficiency. After a long series of selection trials, the Austrian Steyr design was chosen as the winner. In 1991, Stewart and Stevenson was awarded a large contract to manufacture and field the FMTVs, with the goal of eventually replacing all of the Army's aging medium trucks. The first production vehicles were fielded in 1996, with the FMTVs ultimately replacing all of the previous medium trucks. Since 2012, Oshkosh Corporation has been producing these trucks, which are now available for export. In 2022, a small number of these trucks were delivered to Ukraine in order to defend against the Russian invasion. The FMTV is based on the Steyr 12 M18 Austrian truck, which has been extensively modified to create two models, the 4x4 2.5-ton light-medium tactical vehicle and the 6x6 5-ton medium tactical vehicle. Many components, such as the cab, engine, drivetrain, tires, wheels, front suspension, axles, etc., are the same in both models and involve a number of commercial parts. An 8x8 heavy tactical vehicle was also developed, but only a few prototypes were produced and never reached mass production. The basic LMTV is the M1078 cargo carrier, while the 6x6 baseline model is the M1083. Number 6. Oshkosh M1070. The U.S. Army's Oshkosh M1070 tank transporter tractor unit is designed for the transport of the M1 Abrams tank. It is available in the A0, A1, and M1300 configurations and is coupled to a DRS Technologies M1000 semi-trailer. The M1300 is a derivative specifically designed for road legality within Europe and features a different trailer. It replaced the previous Oshkosh M911 tractor unit and M747 semi-trailer. The M1070 is also employed to transport, deploy, evaluate, and move armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy equipment. Export sales of A0 and A1 variants have been made, while derivatives such as the M1070F and Global HET are also available. In 2001, the M1070F replaced the Schemmel Commander as the British Army's tank transporter. To meet the requirements of the U.S. Army, the more powerful M1070E model was developed as a technology insertion program for the M1070A0 fleet. The M1070E1 was then offered to the British Army, but not selected. Instead, the British Army opted for the M1070F, an extensively revised version of the M1070E1. Number 5. MZKT 7930. In the early 1990s, Belarus developed the MZKT 7930 special wheeled chassis, which is commonly known as the Astrolog. It was created to replace the aging MAZ 543 model, and the first prototype was completed in 1994. As Belarus had no need for such vehicles, the MZKT 7930 was primarily intended for the Russian market. In the early 2000s, the Russian Army adopted this vehicle, and by 2016, a total of 1,000 had been produced, with production still ongoing. The MZKT 7938x8 wheeled chassis boasts a payload capacity of up to 24,000 kilograms and is mainly used to carry a variety of weapon systems. It is engineered for off-road applications and is capable of handling heavy loads. The MZKT 7930 is powered by a MZ846 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 500 horsepower. It is mated with a 6-speed manual transmission. Vehicle has full-time all-wheel drive and is fitted with a central tire inflation system. First two axles are steerable. The MZKT 7930 has a maximum road speed of 70 km per hour. It reduces to 40 km per hour on field roads and 20 km per hour off-road. Number 4. Baobab K. Huda Staloawala, along with its partners, is developing a new automated mine-laying system called Baobab K. This system can be used to create various sized minefields with different densities and self-destruct times. A consortium led by HSW, which includes JELCS, Belma, WB Group, and the Military Institute of Engineering Technology, is in charge of its development. The minefields are composed of MN-123 anti-tank scatterable mines, which are equipped with a double-acting cumulative charge and a non-contact igniter. When a vehicle passes over the mine, it is triggered. The Baobab K truck is designed to tackle tough off-road conditions, with a range of 580 kilometers and a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour. Its central tire inflation system allows it to operate in run-flat mode, and it can ford depths of up to 1.2 m, climb obstacles 0.3 m high, and cross trenches of 0.6 m. Additionally, the vehicle is capable of laying mines from 30 m to 90 m away at speeds between 5 km per hour and 25 km per hour, with the potential to build a minefield 800 m in length. The time required to lay a single mine unit is under 22 minutes, while reloading is less than 30 minutes. Number 3. T8157 Mammoth. The KWZ-T1 Mammoth is a heavy-wheeled recovery vehicle designed and built in Poland on the chassis of the Czech Tatra T8157 8x8 military truck. This machine has been created to work in difficult climates and terrains, with the purpose of recovering wheeled military vehicles, such as the Polish Rozomak armored personnel carriers. The Mammoth has two 28T capacity winches, each with 100 m of cable, allowing it to operate at the back and front for a variety of tasks, including self-recovery. Its crew is also equipped to provide maintenance and carry out simple repairs in the field. It is one of the most capable recovery vehicles in its class. The Mammoth crane can be operated from a distance of up to 60 m and can lift 12,000 kilograms at 3.5 m radius. At maximum radius, it can lift 200 kilograms. Furthermore, it has a massive towing device that can lift the front or rear axle of a damaged vehicle for suspended towing, with a weight capacity of up to 13,500 kilograms, enough to handle almost any wheeled military vehicle. Number 2. MZKT741351. The Belarusian MZKT741351 prime mover and associated trailers were specially designed to meet the needs of the United Arab Emirates. In 2016, a pre-production prototype was unveiled to the public. That same year, the prototype was planned to be delivered to the UAE for testing. The MZKT741351 is an updated version of the MZKT741335, which has a different layout and the ability to carry more load. The MZKT741335 was also developed to compete in the UAE tender, resulting in an order for 40 prime movers and their accompanying trailers. Recently, MZKT trucks have been marketed under the Volet brand. The MZKT741351 prime mover stands out due to its ability to attach two trailers, the MZKT999421 axle semi-trailer and the MZKT837211 axle trailer. This incredible road train has a total haul capacity of 136,000 kilograms, enough to transport 2 Leclerc main battle tanks and 1 infantry fighting vehicle at the same time. With its engine located behind and under the cab and its cooling system behind the cab too, the vehicle's design enables a lower height and better protection for the radiator against damage or mud blockages. Number 1. MAN HX81. The MAN HX81 tank transporter is a purpose-built military vehicle designed for heavy-duty and harsh environmental conditions. It evolved from the MAN HX77 and SX45 heavy high-mobility trucks and is used by the German Army, where it is known as SLT-2 Mammoth or SLT-70. In 2013, the German Army purchased 12 of these vehicles to replace the old Fawn SLT-50 Elephant. The main role of the HX81 is to tow semi-trailers with main battle tanks, self-propelled artillery systems, construction materials, and other heavy military loads to the front line and over long distances. It offers good cross-country mobility and can operate in remote areas across rough terrain. In 2019, the MAN HX series was succeeded in production by an improved HX2 series, with the production of the more capable MAN SX series reportedly ceasing the same year. So the new HX2 series trucks took the roles of the SX series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Downloadable Mind YouTube channel. Have a nice day and see you again. Goodbye.